Hello everyone, I am Ankita Rai, student of JNKV College of Agriculture, Riva. Today I am presenting my presentation topic Procedure of Seed Testing. So discuss about seed testing. What is seed testing? Seed testing is determine the standard of seed lot. The seed testing laboratories is hub of seed quality control. Seed testing services are required from time to time to gain information regarding planting value of seed lots. Seed testing is possible for all those who produce, sell, and use of seeds. 2. Objective to identify the quality problem and their probable causes, to determine their quality, that is, their suitability for a planting, to determine the need for drying and processing, to establish quality and provide a basic for the price and consumer discrimination among lots in the market. Importance of seed testing. The importance of seed testing was realized more than 100 years ago for a short planting values. Seed testing has been developed to aid agriculture to avoid some of hazards of crop production. These quality attributes are seed moisture content, germination and vigor, physical and genetic purity, freedom from seed-borne diseases, and insect infestance. In India, seed testing is done mainly for moisture, germination, and physical purity of seed. Economic yield of crop dependent on the quality of seed which can be evaluated by seed testing. Role of seed testing laboratories. Seed testing laboratories are essential organization in seed certification and seed quality control programs. The main objective is serve to producer, the customer, and the seed industry by providing information on seed quality. Test result may be cause rejection or poor seed multiplication or low grade seed in a count of law. Step of seed testing. First sampling, second physical purity, third germination, fourth moisture test, and fifth one is viability test. Seed sampling. The purpose of such sample is to know the quality status of lot for a purpose of seed regulation. The seed sample received in the laboratory are required to be used to obtain working samples for carrying out various tests. The number of methods are available to obtain working samples. Types of samples: primary samples, composite samples, submitted sample, working sample. Purity, physical purity test. Purity analysis. The purity analysis of seed sampling in the seed testing laboratory refer to determination of different component of the purity: pure seed, other crop seed, weed seed, and inert matter like stone, pebbles, etc. Objectives. The objective of the seed purity analysis is to determine whether the submitted sample conforms to the prescribed physical quality standard with regard to physical components. Method of purity separation. Place the sample on the purity workboard after sieving and blowing operations and separate into other crop seed and inert matter. After separation, identify each kind of wheat seed, other crop seed as the genus and species. The name and the number of each are recorded. The type of inert matter present should be also be noted. Calculation. All the four components must be weighted to the required number of the decimal places. The percentage of the component are determined as the follow formula. Purity percentage is equal to weight of pure seed upon total weight of all components into 100. Purity percentage is denoted by percentage value. Seed germination test. Germination is defined as the emergence and development from the seed embryo of those essential structure for a kind of seed in question, indication its ability to produce a normal plant under the favorable condition. Material required. Substratum. The substratum serves as moisture reservoir and provides the surface or medium for the seed can be germinate and seedling grow. Sand or sand germinating paper or soil are substratum. Germinating tray, germination cabinet, germination chamber. seed counting board, vacuum seed counter, impression board, etc. Method of seed placement. Two methods are majorly used for seed placement. First one is sand method and second one is paper method. Sand method. Seed in the sand. Seed are placed in a uniform layer of moist sand and then covered to depth at 1 to 2 centimeter with sand. Top of sand. Seed are pressed in the surface of the sand. Paper method. Most widely used paper substrate are filter paper, bottler and towel. Top paper method. Seed are placed on the one more one wo- one more layer of moist filter paper. Between paper, the seeds are placed between two layers of paper and rolled in towel. The rolled towel are placed in the germinator chamber. There is some pictures of germinating apparatus. First one is seed sand method. Second, paper method of seed placement. Third one is germinator. Fourth one is impression board. Impression board used for seed spacing. Seed counting board. Seed counting board used for seed calculation, evaluation, normal seedling. The capacity of concluded develop into normal plant. Abnormal seedling seed which do not show the capacity of continued development in normal plant. Abnormal seedling are different type. Hard seed, fresh and ungerminated seed, damaged and deformed seed, or dead seed. Seed moisture content analysis. The moisture content of seed sample is the loss in the weight when it dried. It is expressed as a percentage of the weight of the original sample. It is most important factor of seed quality. Method: air oven method or moisture meter. Air oven method. Required material: grinding mill, container, oven, and desiccator. Grinding: fine grinding for some seed, examples cereal or cotton, and coarse grinding for leguminous seeds like pulses, um, pigeon pea, urdu moong, etc. Pre-drying: pre-drying before grinding is necessary for its purpose. 2 to 50 gram protein portion are weighted and placed on the oven tray at 130 degrees Celsius for 5 to 10 minutes. There is some apparatus for seed moisture testing. First one seed, second one is oven, fourth one is desiccator, and third one is balance. Procedure: sample 100 gram for a species that have been ground, 50 gram for all other species. Empty container all along with its cover should be weighted. The submitted sample should be mixed thoroughly and two small portions of seed sample are to be drawn in a should